God, I got no sleep last night, like I can't go to practice.
I got 10 hours of sleep last night. I'm feeling so energized and ready to work out.
99, 100. I got so much sleep last night, I'm feeling so energized.
You know they got so much sleep last night?
I'm Isley. I'm a senior at Grant.
I'm Talia Wexler and I'm a Grant High School senior.
And I'm Annabelle Salinger.
Hi, my name's Sarai and I'm a Grant senior.
And I'm Emma. As high school seniors, we understand how important sleep is to having a productive day.
We found a study from the National Society of Medicine that stated that increased exercise increases the duration of nightly sleep.
We want to investigate, does the amount of hours slept per week affect the average number of hours spent working out weekly for high school seniors?
In order to investigate this, we decided to use a t-test for two means.
We decided to gather data from Grant seniors. We posted a survey on Instagram and Snapchat and visited senior classes at school to get responses. This means that we used convenient sampling with voluntary response bias.
We ended up with a total of 94 responses. After scrubbing the data of responses that were not from Grant seniors, we had 88 data points.
We divided our data into two sets, 49 hours of sleep or less, or above 49 hours of sleep per week. Some limitations of our data is that we only collected data from Grant seniors, so our results are not representative of all high school seniors. Some people were also estimating their responses, which may have resulted in self-reporting bias.
The assumption for a t-test for two means is that it is an unpooled test, which means that the standard deviation and the population variance are not equal. Our null hypothesis was mu1 equals mu2. Our alternative hypothesis was mu1 does not equal mu2. Our claim is in the alternative hypothesis. Mu1 is people who sleep less than or equal to 49 hours per week. Mu2 is people who sleep over 49 hours per week. This is a two-tailed test because our claim in the alternative hypothesis is mu1 does not equal mu2. Our critical values are 1.97 and negative 1.97. Our test statistic is 1.67, which is not in the shaded region. We used an alpha of 0.05. We concluded that there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the mean hours of sleep per week impacts the mean hours of exercise per week in Grant High School seniors at an alpha of 0.05.
The results of our t-test for two means are different than the results of the study that we found.
This may be because we only were testing data from Grant seniors. It's important to note that if we had tested at an alpha of 0.1, then we would have rejected the null, because in that case, our test statistic, 1.67, would be in the shaded region.
In that case, our result would have been there is enough evidence to support the claim that the mean hours of sleep per week impacts the mean hours of exercise per week in Grant High School seniors at a significance level of 0.1.
Hey Isaac, now that I know that my sleep doesn't impact my exercise at an alpha of 0.05, I can stay up real late tonight.